Hello, I'm Marcus Boyce and welcome to another episode of Lord Splodge Shorts. Continuing the last couple of weeks cloud-based theme, I thought we'd take a quick overview of CloudApp. CloudApp is it's in the name, it's a cloud-based file sharing application. I'm going to start by going to the website. Let's have a look. That's at getcloudapp.com. That's on the screen now, and you simply sign up there. This gives you your email and password and register, and it'll let you download the application. Now, once the application is downloaded, it's simply a case of dragging it over to your applications folder like so. So here it is, a nice pretty cloud icon there. Double click to launch, and what you'll get is a icon in the menu bar top right. It's the one that looks like a cloud. I've already logged in, so you're seeing some things here, but what you would see is it would be flashing a sign here saying no valid credentials found. That's because you need to log on. To do that, click on the cloud, go to preferences, and on the account tab here you enter your username and password, and it will log you on, and then you'll see the extra stuff here. What you'll want to do once you've logged in is go to the general section and check what the hotkey is. By default here it's Control Alt Command U. That'll upload anything that you've selected if you press that shortcut. So I'll show you an example of that now. So here's a folder with 3 icons on. The one of the cat in a sign. I've selected it. I'm now going to press Control Alt or Option and Command U. The cloud icon goes blue to signify it's uploaded, and you'll see there it is, 1.png. Now that it's uploaded, if you hover over it, you'll see a link icon appears. So you can see it there over each one. They click on that and it'll automatically copy a shortcut to that file. So just paste that into Safari, and there's the image, and I can send that in an email or via a tweet or on Facebook or many other different ways. CloudApp is really that simple. As it says on the website, drag to menu bar, paste link, and that's it. Now that in itself is a very good way of sharing files with people on the internet, but one of the sort of semi-hidden functions is the fact that it'll automatically upload screenshots. So as you can see, I've already uploaded one. That's because I've got the auto upload screenshots. To do that, you can use one of the many screenshot commands. In this case, I'm going to use Command Shift and 4. That initially gives me the option to drag an area of the screen, but if you press spacebar, it turns into a camera, and if you hover that over any window, it goes grey to show that it's going to take a screenshot of only that window. So I've clicked on Finder, and the CloudApp is uploading the file now. There it is at the top. You can also notice that OS X puts the screenshot on your desktop, so you can use it locally as well. Now if I go to the history, click the link, and going to go over to Safari and paste it in, and there's a screenshot of Finder. That's a really useful feature for quickly sharing screenshots. If you're interested in any of the shortcuts for OS X, I suggest going to Dan Rodney's Mac Central website, which has got a list of keyboard shortcuts, multi-touch gestures and so on. The website address is on the screen now. Recommended for some of the more obscure keyboard shortcuts. There are a lot in OS X. Okay, before we wrap up, let's just take a quick look at some of the preferences that are available for CloudApp. Just get rid of Safari there. That. So as I showed you earlier, on the general pane you can set the hotkey. You can turn on growl notifications. I've talked about growl in other episodes of Lord Spot Shorts, but I haven't actually done one yet. I'll get around to doing one. But in essence, it's a useful way of being notified. Copy the link to the clipboard. That automatically puts the link in the clipboard as soon as it's uploaded. Start at login. Obviously that is useful if you're going to want to use it a lot. There's the account. Raindrops are, they're like sort of plugins. It's the way CloudApp manages certain things. So in this case, as I showed you earlier, Finder, it uploaded the selected files. But if it was Font Book, it'd upload the selected fonts. If it was iPhoto, it'd do the selected photos, and so on and so forth. Obviously, you can check for updates, and finally, there's a support tab which lets you link to any FAQs, that's frequently asked questions. All this is available via the cloud.app website. I'm just going to log on. Here you can see what you've uploaded, and you can do things like you can delete it, you can upload files, you can shorten URLs, and you can look at what's in your library of different sort of types: video, audio, text, and so on. And look inside your trash. There's the one that I deleted, and if it's more than 7 days old, it'll be deleted by nanorobots, bit by bit. Well, fancy that. Thanks for watching this week's screencast. Stay tuned for more episodes soon.